We took, unlike charges purpose, we took outside the line joining only. Outside the line joining. Correct only na? So, like charges plus, unlike charges mean minus. Like that I have given. But in the potential concept, remember, it is applicable. It can exist for only unlike charges. Only unlike charges. That is the only difference. For that null point and this null point. This is exists only unlike charges. In that time only potential is becomes zero. Why? Because this is not a vector quantity, only magnitude. Correct? So minus and plus is there mean it becomes zero. Alright? So that's what it is only applicable for only unlike charges. That points right, it's some 2 points. So what is that first point? So points of zero. Points of zero potential. Zero potential exist only for unlike charges. Unlike charges, both in between and outside the line joining. Line joining the charges. Very, very, very important. Okay. So now case 1. So points of zero potential between points of zero potential between two charges. Right? Between two charges. Right? I will consider here. This is the minus q. So this is the plus q. So here this is somewhere, not exactly between, somewhere here. I will consider O. At this point V net is equal to 0. Then from here to A, this is the B. A to O is equal to X, and here to here R minus X. The total distance here to here R I will consider. This is the V1, this is the V2. Is the V1 and V2. V1 and V2. So according to that concept, what is that? V net is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. V net is equal to 0. Therefore, I can equate V1 is equal to V2. Magnitude. Magnitudes are equal. Then V1 K into V1. So magnitude only. Q by R square mean X square. R mean X. Is equal to K into Q by R minus X. Correct? Right. Last 2 minutes is there. So transfer this side. K get cancelled. So this is the Q1, this is the Q2. I will consider this is the Q1, this is the Q2. Okay. Then transfer to that side. R minus X by X is equal to Q2 by Q1. So get cancelled, 1 will come. So R by X is equal to Q2 by Q1 plus 1. So X is equal to R divided by root won't come, right? Q2 by Q1 plus 1. This is the between. So next, case 2. Points of zero potential. So outside of two charges. Okay, and remember, so here, so always we can consider that point nearer to the smaller charge. Okay, I will consider q1 is less than of q2, like that only. So therefore what would be happen, diagram, so this is the q1, so this is the q2, is a and b. So now here I will consider point O. From here to here x distance. Okay, next from here to here is r, x plus r. Right, this is the point O. At this point V net is equal to 0. V net is equal to 0. So near, so Q1 minus, this is the plus. So what happened here? So V1 plus V2 is equal to V net. V net is equal to 0. Therefore V1 magnitude is equal to V2 magnitude. So K into Q1 by X is equal to K into Q2 by R plus X. So get cancelled. Therefore R by X plus 1 is equal to Q2 by Q1. So X is equal to what will come? R by Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Directly I have given this one. Right? That is very important. So finally I will give you a formula. So what is the final formula? Therefore Vx is equal to R divided by Q2 by Q1 plus R minus 1. For minus 1 we will consider for between purpose. Plus minus symbol. Plus symbol we will consider what is that? For between. For between purpose we will consider plus. So outside purpose minus. That's it. This is the points of zero potential.